In this video, I will show how to delete sheet in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you want to delete any sheet, so right click here. Once you right click on it, so you will see some option like insert, delete, rename, move or copy. So, and also you will see the option hide. So just you want to delete, so click this delete option. Here you will see the notice a workbook must contain a list one visible worksheet. To hide, delete, or move the selected sheet, you must first insert a new sheet or unhide a sheet that is already hidden. So if you have only one workbook, so you can't delete. So to delete, firstly you need to insert any another sheet, like we have now just two sheets. So we can delete this one. Right click on it and delete. So this is the way you can delete a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.